Hello guys, today we learn what is ASP.NET Core Web API and in with the Visual Studio 2022. Let us see. ASP.NET Core Web API with Visual Studio 2022 is a way to create a RESTful web service using the ASP.NET Core framework and Visual Studio 2022 as your integrated development environment IDE. ASP.NET Core is a cross-platform open source framework developed by Microsoft by building modern cloud-based internet-connected applications. Now let us see what is Web API. Web Application Programming Interface allow HTTP-based communication typically used to build RESTful services that return data usually in JSON format. Also you can send as a XML format, and you can see that client may be like web application, JavaScript frontend, ASP.NET frontend. Also you can use this web service in mobile application, and other API microservices also you can use in desktop application. What is the key features of ASP.NET Core Web API? Let us see. It is lightweight and high performance. Cross-platform, runs on Windows, Linux, macOS. Supports dependency injection, middleware and minimal APIs. Designed for microservices and cloud development. Built-in support for open APIs for other documentations. Now let us see what is Open API Swagger. Open API, formerly known as Swagger, is standard for describing, documenting, and consuming RESTful API. It helps both human and machine understand what an API does without needing access to the source code or backend. So also you can test your API in Open Web API in Open API, which is parallel when you will run, and also you can test your ASP.NET Core API in RESTful Web in Postman. You can understand from this diagram, like you can see there is a Web API controller, there is some business logics and database. Then that API can be accessed through browsers, phones and Google devices and many more.
Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.